Hi, besties!
Long time no see. Today we're gonna try the Chamoy Pickle kit. Let's see what's inside. First we got our Chamoy Pickle. Next we got our Takis. Next we have our gusano. It's like more chamoy for the pickle. Next we have polvos, and it's like powder that is sweet and spicy. Last we have our gummy strings. Now we're gonna try it.
3,
2,
1. Oh.
oh.
3, 2, 1. You like it?
Spicy.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
It's spicy though. So spicy. It was a little spicy for me, but I liked it. 10 out of 10.